Okay, so the first step is that we add the Android hardware camera thing. This is just because this makes sure that your app is installed only on those devices which actually have a camera. Otherwise, it won't get installed. Good step, I would say. Nice thing. Not an issue. So we can just add it into our manifest inside application and just add it here. Just sorry, outside application tag. I think it will go here. Okay, so just make sure that your app can't be installed on devices that don't have the camera hardware, which is reasonable, I believe. Okay, next what we need is so at the end of this segment, what we will achieve is something like this. Let's see. So if you click on take photo, it will give you option of the camera app. We'll click on that camera app. It will go to the camera app, and here it will go. Click on take the photo. It takes the photo, comes back here. You've got the thumbnail. Okay, so that's what this entire thing is basically going to do. Let's see. What we'll do here is. Next step, we need to create an intent which will go and take that photo. So let me look at the layout. I'll just turn it into a linear layout actually. Okay, and I'll make it wrap and wrap actually, so that it's just takes the amount of space that it needs. Yeah, you can see what all is happening right side in the preview, right? Okay, so what do we need? Yeah, we'll need an image view here. Okay, that also so image view will make say 200 dp into 200 dp. Okay, that's my image view. I will make my linear layout vertical. Okay, make it at the center. Okay, and this I will turn it into a button here. Okay, wrap, and this button will have the text which says take photo. Okay, this I will give an id, image thumb, and this I will give an id button button take photo. Okay, so that's they're done. So one thing is there here these days, when you create a new project, it does not actually come with I think the Android extension. So let's go to build.gradle for our project, add the Kotlin Android extensions here. It's a plugin. Let's sync the project once, and then we'll get here. So if I start writing button take photo, it will import the synthetic one. Button take photo dot set on click listener. Okay, on clicking on click listener, we'll have to create an intent which we will fire to basically fetch the photo. So val take photo intent equal to be an intent. The action inside the intent is media, I think this and dot sorry, media store dot action image capture. Yeah, I believe that's the intent. And then I will create a say const val require photo request code. We'll need a request code for this, say 234, just like that, something, right? Okay, so what we need is to fire an intent, do start activity for result with this take photo intent, and with that photo request code. Okay, this much will start the intent. Let me just start this in our app once, and yeah, let me quickly show how it looks like. It has been launched. that's it. Take photo. It shows one of those options. You can select that, and then I get the camera. Okay, so hey, take the photo. um, Comes back. We don't have the thumbnail right now here. Okay, so to get the thumbnail, what we need to do is we will just see what to do here. Get the thumbnail. So to get the thumbnail, it's available inside the extras of that intent itself, in the field data. Okay, so let me do here. Okay, just write data here. Okay, so you'll have to implement on activity result. Okay, so if my activity result is if the request code is this photo request code, in that case what we will do is we will get the bitmap from the intent as data dot extras dot get. So we'll get it at this key, which is the extra data key, right? So yeah, and we'll cast it to bitmap. Okay, we'll get us bitmap. Once you got it as bitmap, then we can do is take this image view thumb dot set bitmap, and I can pass the bitmap there. Okay, so this is done. Let's quickly restart our app with this new logic in place and see if that works or not. Okay, right, so now take photo now, just once, and let's say we take a photo of the keyboard, take it, go back, and we have our thumbnails captured. Okay, so you're able to see the thumbnail, capture it, and come back, but we don't have the actual file which is saved. This is not the full-sized image, it's just the thumbnail. It's only a little bit of bytes of information that can be passed along in the extra of the intent, but that's good enough for us to create this preview at this level. At least for other things, we'll just see how to get the real file and how to deal with that. Okay, so let's take a look at that after this.